What's up, friends? I hope you're having a great day today. My name's Jacob, and I've got two different sweetened teas from AIYA that they sent to me at no cost that I could give my honest opinion. I've already tried this one here with you guys. It was absolutely delicious, especially when you add a little bit of sweetened cold foam on the top, which I'm going to show you here. But I actually am going to be making this one here, which I believe it's the HOJICHA. It's basically still green tea. It looks a little bit darker, but it basically has a nuttier flavor to it is what I have actually heard. So I'm excited to try it. I've actually never tried the whole HOJICHA. I love matcha. I love matcha lattes especially, and sweetened matcha lattes are especially obviously delicious. If you've never had a, milk-based matcha tea with a little bit of sugar or honey, it's delicious. Now these are to-go packets, so these would be really, really good for on the go, and they are especially delicious cold in my opinion. I tried it hot and I tried it cold with this one here, and I really liked the cold version, the cold milk instead of the hot milk. So let's go ahead and make the HOJICHA to go and show you exactly how easy it is, but it's basically just these packets that are pre-portioned, ready to go, and yeah, let's go ahead and try it out. Basically, it's the same green tea, but they de-stem it, they take out the stalks, and they basically roast those leaves. That's how I understand it, at least. So I'm gonna try it. Let's go ahead and make some. I got my glass right here. First thing I need is ice. Next, I'm gonna need milk. We're gonna go ahead and just fill this most of the way up with milk. Finally, I just need one of the HOJICHA packets to go, and I can basically pour this directly in here. Almost looks like hot chocolate mix or even just instant coffee mix, but they're pretty big size packets, 12-gram packets, and they're the same size as the normal green tea packets. And now we need to just mix this up really good. I got a spoon here. Alternatively, you could mix this up separately and then combine it with the milk. And when you mix it up, it almost looks like chocolate milk. It is almost completely mixed up. There at the top, I've still got a little bit of the powder that I need to mix up a little bit better. I will say, I think it tastes better when it's cold and iced, but I think that it mixes a bit better when it is hot, although it is mostly mixed. I haven't tried it yet. We're gonna go ahead and try it without the sweet cold foam, and then I'm gonna show you the final drink that I honestly think is the holy grail of matcha with the sweetened cold foam. And this looks really good. Let's try it without the cold foam. Oh, that's really good. Yeah, it tastes like a nutty chocolate milk coffee. There's still some coffee tones. There's definitely a little bit of chocolate. If you like chocolate, a little bit of chocolate, matcha, and coffee is almost what it tastes like. I think that's like the best way I could describe it. This is amazing, and it's only gonna get better once we add that sweetened cold foam. Let's go. Okay, this is where we take it to a whole nother level. We got vanilla sweet cream. This is made with real cream. I gave it a good shake, and now we're just gonna go ahead, put a little bit on the top level, as much as you would like. I don't like too much. And again, if you do this when it's cold, it's gonna stay on the top like a nice frothy sweet foam. It's got a nice vanilla kick. But if you do this in a hot drink, it probably will get mixed into the drink and basically just be a creamer for your coffee or whatever it is you're drinking. But yeah, this looks great. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a taste. All right, we got the cold foam here. Let's go. I'm probably gonna have a cold foam mustache. Yep, this is amazing. I could drink this every day. And if you're on a budget, or if you're someone that's trying to drink coffee or matcha tea, green tea on a budget, but you want it to be tasty, you want it to have a lot of flavor and not be too guilty after drinking it, for it to be pretty guilt-free, I think that this is an amazing option. It tastes really, really good. Very impressed. And out of the options, this one I'm way more impressed with. This one is absolutely delicious. The matcha original one is also really good, but I think if I had to pick one from these two options, the HOJICHA is absolutely worth picking up again for myself, or even grabbing as a gift for one of my friends who loves matcha. So I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. You enjoy this as much as I do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.